Gentlemen, this is a Prosta Technica. It has been a while. I have not posted a video. I'll be out from the station going for industrial installation. Though I'm going to be posting those videos for battery lamps because my mission is one youth, three skills. So now this a new installation of 8 kVA. We have three pieces here. So we are going to make this 8 kVA a single phase. Though you can as well get one single unit of 12 kVA, or maybe, or you can hardly get a single unit of 24 kVA. So now we also have advantage. Okay, we have a single phase 8 kVA, single phase 8 kVA, single phase 8 kVA, single phase. We are going to power them to work as one unit. So my reason of making this video is to enlighten my followers. Sometimes some of you ask me if you want to make a connection for a theory inverter, how are we going to join? Someone asked me that question, so I'm using this video to correct it. All your inputs, all your inputs, they are going to link. When I mean your input, you can see this is your AC input and the AC output. So your AC input, this for the three inverter, they are all going to link. You can see this inverter one, the input is going to this input, and this input is also going to the other input. Then for the output, this is the output. This output is also going to meet this output, and this output is also going to meet the third output. So now, instead for you to start joining, the jobs as you are working, your mind need to be broad. So that is why you need to introduce a bus bar. As you can see, this bus bar is for input, and this bus bar is for what? Output. Because it is not fair, maybe you start joining your cable inside this trunking. So by doing this, you know where your joints are coming from. The 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 positive and the negative. For the output, this is also the positive and the negative. Then you have to introduce a breaker. Under, you can see this is the breaker for the input, and this is the breaker for the output. So we are going to introduce a breaker here for the load that we also supply the house. So I believe for those of you that ask me how are we going to connect them, when you are powering inverter, how are you going to make sure that the joints are properly okay. So that is why we are making this video, to correct it for you. This video, this is just like a bus. It's a bus bar. It's not just like a bus bar. This is a small bus bar where you put your load. If you still have any other thing that you are going to tie to this bus bar, there's other spare O, and you can also create other spares O. Depends on the numbers of cable that is coming. So remember, this is Prosta Technica. Our mission is one youth, three skill. So you can contact us on our phone number 070 37 49 12 76. And again, as you also need to also broad your mind, and this fire extinguisher in each of your box, I will encourage you also try your possible best to put fire extinguisher. This fire extinguisher, and this also please come, this also fire extinguisher in each of your box. Try as possible to protect your system against fire against fire outbreak. So thank you. Remember, this is a Poster Technica.